Press the humidifier button to separate the main device and humidifier. Remove the SD card. Use tweezers to pry up the upper shell's buckle of the main device. Remove the button cover. Insert tweezers into the position which is between the lens and the middle shell. Pry it up slowly. Note that the LCD screen doesn't get glued. Remove the lens slowly. Remove the waterproof pad. Take the button out. Open the buckle. Take out the wiring. Take a new button. Open the buckle. Insert the wiring into the buckle. Fasten the buckle. Put the wiring into the device. Fix the button. Install the waterproof pad. Note the direction of the waterproof pad. Install the lens. Install the button cover. Note the direction of the button cover. Install the upper shell of the main device. Make sure the buckle is aligned. Press down. Insert the SD card. Connect the main device and humidifier.